Hi friends. Welcome to my channel Limegreen. In this video I will tell you what is the best sunscreen for 2020. Okay friends. Let's get started. Number 1, La Roche-Posay Anthelios 50 Tinted Mineral Ultra Fluid Sunscreen. My favorite facial sunscreens are La Roche-Posay Mineral SPF 50 with a tint because it has such a light formulation and doesn't cause breakouts. I then use Colorescience Sunforgettable Loose Mineral Sunscreen Brush Broad Spectrum. I couldn't live without this product. I use it multiple times a day like a pressed powder because it sets makeup and is an amazing SPF, too. It always makes the face look polished but not shiny, and protected, no matter how many soccer and baseball games I'm at with the kids. Number 2, City Smart Broad Spectrum Hydrating Shield. Almost as important as prepping your skin for sun exposure, slopping on a minimum of sunscreen, using a full, shot glass amount per application, and reapplying every 2 to 3 hours, is caring for your skin pre- and post-sun exposure. This is where antioxidants play a vital role in skin's appearance and health, every morning to give my skin extra protection against the strong summer sun. Just 5 drops in the morning helps to boost UV protection in addition to my daily and anti-pollution shield. Number 3, Extreme Protect Sunscreen. I consider this my primary moisturizer. It makes a fabulous base for putting on my foundation so that it won't go on thick. Number 4, Colorescience Sunforgettable Loose Mineral Sunscreen. I like the Colorescience Sunforgettable brush. It is easy to apply every 2 hours because it is a powder that doubles as an SPF. Perfect for touch-ups and protection. Number 5, Healthy Defense Daily Moisturizer with Broad Spectrum. This daily facial moisturizer provides broad spectrum protection against UVB and UVA rays. It's light, easy to spread, and will not leave your face feeling greasy. It can even double up as an aftershave product for men. If you want to buy this now, you can buy from Amazon, the link given in the description below. If you like this video, like it and share it with friends, and also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you can never miss our new updates. Thanks for watching.